In my ranch riding class, I placed this class 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting with my top pair, I placed the bay with a full set of socks over the gray, for he had flawless lead changes, as well as a more appropriate head carriage. I will admit this gray is more willing in his side passes, but had the least amount of expression during his pattern. Moving on to the middle pair, I placed the gray over the paint due to having a more extended trot and successful stops that were very responsive to the rider. I must say, this paint was confident through the whole pattern but tripped over a log, resulting in a 3-point penalty, as well as the rider having too much silver on the saddle, causing the overall image to be unnatural and too flashy. Lastly, my pair consists of the paint over the black, for the paint completed the entire course as well as having a more consistent cadence to the trot. I must say the black was attentive, but after rearing, he was given a penalty of 5 points plus a 3-point penalty for completely knocking an obstacle out of the pattern. And that is why I placed this ranch riding class 1, 2, 3, 4.